All right, I like how we closed. We closed at this gap. That's a good okay sign. I'll take that. I'll take it was zigzags dirty, but I'll take this closure at this gap. It looks good. I'm a little drawdown, but based off the closure, I think we can still hold to the downside to at least get a little retracement. I told you co-size Nas be on that dumb shit. I be trying with Nas, like I really do, but just I don't know. Just something about 30 over the years. She just be moving smooth. Now, yeah, we look good. We about to hit TP1. Almost. Come on. There we go. That's TP1. TP1 across 5 accounts. That's how we do it. We do this live. Once again. That coming from someone that's done it, bro, I wouldn't do it, bro. I wouldn't do it. Yeah, I wouldn't trust him. You're better off leverage. I would rather you leverage it, leverage a credit card and just get challenges, and then from there be able to make money. Because then at least you can pay it back. But it's gonna the risk reward on that is way more. It makes more sense, especially nowadays. Like I tried that, but with FTMO, and I got waxed. That's why I figured with 30s has more likelihood to keep pushing, because Nas is more likely to retrace in my opinion, because like you said, it's at the all-time high already and already ran it, versus 30 still has room to go up still. That's part of the reason why I wanted to see a retracement today, because I see Nas is slowly started to retrace and it was at an all-time high, so it's like, what are the chances that today might be the day for 32 though? I mean, percentage wise, I'm not sure. It's probably still way more likely to go up. Once I hit that shit, I'm out. This is my one and done. I didn't take no L. This is my only trade of the week. Once I get there, I'm done. Because yeah, I could take a long and it might go up, but I also risk the chances of losing a little bit of what I risk. And I'm going for a 1 or 2, so I'm gonna just leave myself at a 1 to 1 when I'm already up 1 to 2, because I just want to make more. No, I'm good. It's one day. No expectations. Yeah, but that's like buying a Hellcat. Oh, look at the fuel. I mean, yeah, obviously, but nah, you can't worry about the fucking fuel. That's what I'm saying. Like, that's the least thing about a yacht. Everything gonna need fuel. I can rent this shit out. I can go wherever I want. I could charge you to be in this plane. What? This plane, it changes everything. Think about FX Alex G. I put my logo on this. I write the plane off. You tripping? There you go. And it's gonna be on the bottom. That shit gonna FBA. Storage, I don't even gonna care. I'm gonna buy a big ass fucking. I'll buy a garage. I'll live in that shit. But then again, these planes are big, but depending on how big, it's like a smaller hangar with it. You could just have this shit outside. Trust, I'm definitely for a plane for $1 million. I'm definitely picking a plane over a yacht for $1 million, because you're not gonna get as much. For a big yacht, bro, them shits be taxed. It's not bad, especially for what we get. But that's TP2. That's TP. Good work. That's what I like to see. Now we just. Where is this at? Close it right there. Close position. Close across 5 accounts. There you go. Don't say I ain't give y'all shit. Yeah, it's like you move it from your entry. Depending on the contract size is the most important thing. Yeah, you just grab it and just move it. And then depending on if it's above or below, it's just either going to be your TP or stop loss. But it's the same action regardless. Just moving it up or down. I'm not sure. I don't use limits. Keep the buck. But yeah, good trade. For everyone that caught the trade, make sure y'all send that trade in the. You know what I'm saying? It was a little long, but you know what? It played out. Patience paid. Me personally, regardless of it going up, I'd rather be able to have my 1 dub regardless. Now, if I didn't have a trade, maybe I would have taken longs, but since I already have longs,